If you're unemployed or looking to change jobs, here is a ritual that has worked for many people when it comes to finding one. Start by tearing a small square of white paper by hand. Then rub it briefly to infuse it with your own energy. On the paper, write your full name, date of birth, the job you're looking for, and if you have a specific company in mind, write its name too. Finish with a thank you, universe. Fold the paper into 3 parts. Get a container, pour water into it and add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Stir the mixture clockwise. While the water is swirling, place the folded paper inside the jar. Hold the jar in both hands and repeat this phrase. I open my heart to receive the energy of abundance and security that will attract the job of my dreams. Finally, place the jar in a high place in your house and leave it there until you get a job. On the day you succeed in getting a job, take the jar, thank the universe for the great opportunity, and remove the paper from the water, pouring it onto the ground. This ritual can be performed on any day, but this Sunday is the first Sunday of the month and the energies are very favorable for this ritual to have immediate success.